A woman doesn't take your love seriously just because you give her attention or affection or even loyalty. Those things matter, yes, but they don't make her trust you. They don't make her respect you, and they don't make her take your love seriously. What does your standards? When a man holds standards that guide his behavior, his boundaries, his reactions, his emotional discipline, a woman feels something powerful, certainty, because a man with standards is a man she can't push, can't manipulate, and can't easily replace. And when you get this right, your love becomes something she takes seriously, not lightly. Let's break down the 4 Stoic principles that make this happen. 1. Set standards for yourself before setting them for her. Stoicism teaches, first command yourself, then command the world. Epictetus. A woman takes a man seriously when he clearly lives by personal principles, discipline in daily habits, emotional self-mastery, goals he's actively pursuing, respect for his time and energy, boundaries he actually enforces. When you lead yourself, you don't need to force anything with her. Your standards become obvious through your behavior, and she naturally aligns with them. A man without standards looks for permission. A man with standards moves with direction, and she takes that man seriously. 2. Stop letting love make you blind. Many men make the same mistake. They fall in love and then they stop seeing reality. They ignore disrespect. They excuse bad behavior. They tolerate inconsistency, but a Stoic sees clearly even in emotion. Marcus Aurelius said, "Love the truth above all." This means if she pulls away, you don't chase. If she disrespects, you address it. If she stops giving effort, you mirror it. If she tests you, you stay composed. When you stop letting love blind you, you show her something rare. You love her, but you don't lose yourself for her. That makes her pay attention. That makes her respect you. That makes her take your love seriously. 3. Protect your peace. Even when you love her, a woman knows how seriously you take yourself by how quickly you let her chaos control you, when she throws attitude, when she tests you, when she becomes emotional, when she tries to trigger a reaction. Most men respond with frustration or desperation, but a Stoic man responds with calm. Seneca wrote, "No person is free who is not master of himself." Your calm is not weakness. It's presence. It's strength. It's leadership. When you protect your peace, she feels safer. She feels guided. She feels grounded. She feels your strength without you saying a word. And suddenly, your love is no longer something she can play with. It becomes something she respects deeply. 4. Show consistency, not extremes. Women don't trust extremes. Too sweet today, too cold tomorrow, too available one week, distant the next. Too loving in messages, detached in person, promising big things, delivering nothing. Inconsistency breeds insecurity. Stoicism teaches be the same person in every circumstance. Your power comes from emotional consistency, steady effort, steady presence, steady tone, steady character, steady self-respect. Not perfect, not robotic, just steady. When your actions match your words, she feels safe committing emotionally. Consistency is the language women trust. And the man who masters consistency is the man whose love she finally takes seriously. A woman takes your love seriously when you live by personal standards. Stay clear-headed, even in emotion. Protect your peace at all costs. Remain consistent in character and behavior, because love without boundaries creates comfort, but love with standards creates respect. And in the end, it's not love that makes her stay loyal.